Good morning, guys. Sorry for the late start here this morning. Taking my girlfriend to her internship took a little longer than usual, so don't worry, we're still here. Good morning, guys. Hold on, give me a second. Need to log on. How we looking right now? Looking pretty solid so far. We are up today. About $546 so far. Not too shabby. Good morning. Hope you guys are all doing good. It's going to be a big day today. TYME. I'm telling you guys, it's going to go up a lot. It's going to go down a lot. It's going to go up, down. Play with your emotions. Don't let them get the best of you. This stock is great. I promise you, I've sold so many stocks way too early, and I'm not doing it this time. What do you think ITRM hits today? Thank you so much for the donation. I appreciate it. It's really hard to tell where ITRM will be today, right? This company they're really close to an FDA approval, so that's going to be a huge catalyst. A lot of people don't know about this stock. I actually did a hashtag on TikTok, and there was only 5,000 views on this hashtag, which is absolutely insane. This one could be a huge runner. Now, my original price target for this was $2, and it went past that in aftermarket the other day. Good morning, which is absolutely insane. But guys, my strategy with this right now, I bought at $149. I'm up 50% right now, which is absolutely crazy. When you say it dips by RLFTF, I love RLFTF. That's a good one. We're just holding on here. ITRM is going to be a great long-term play. I'm telling you, I'm fantastic. I hope you guys are all doing great this morning. Thank you so much, 20 Canada. You are the man. CRSR, I love. Boyd Gaming, CRSR. Those are all great. Good morning, BYD. I like it. OCGN, it looks pretty good to me. Sorry, little hiccup here. Dave & Buster's, it's a little tricky situation, right? So right now, there's not a lot of people going to Dave & Buster's, and when they opened up, there went from being no people to some people going, which was great, right? But now we're going to be going from some people going to not a lot of people going, and I don't like that. I'm waiting till everything starts to open up a little bit more before I get into Dave & Buster's, but overall, it's a great long-term play in my personal opinion. Thank you so much, 20 Canada, the man of the hour. Let's go. ITRM, good entry point. It looks pretty good to me. But personally, you just gotta wait for a little bit of a dip. It's up 50. I'm up 50%, and I bought it at 1 p.m. yesterday. You gotta remember that. What do you think of Watt? I like Watt. I think it has a lot of potential. TYME gonna do great things today. It's currently sitting at $3.03. We got pretty strong support at $2.98. So be on watch for that area. I don't expect it to break below today. Hey, in the morning it might try to trick a few people. These stocks that go up a lot are very tricky. I love XL Fleet. I love MKD. I'm actually going to be looking at purchasing MKD today, because right now we did sell some of our stocks yesterday, and we have $209 of cash to play with a little bit before we get TYME out of here and send it to the moon. XL, I love XL. XL's still good. It's going to go up. It's consolidating like this for a while. So you see it going up 8%, then it's down 2%, up 8%, down 2%. You just got to stay patient with those kinds of stocks. It's going to be great. Mara is a great one too. HOL, I like it. DIS, I think there's a pullback coming. SNDL, congratulations. Portfolio check. Let's go to our portfolio right now. Let's look into what we got. Let's go over it right now for you. I'm going to make a video later this morning giving you an update on what my portfolio looks like after I make a trade or so today. But here we go. So we got 50 shares of ITRM. We are up 47%. We have 1,100 shares of TYME. We're currently up on these shares 41.4%. LGVW, we are up 17.25%. We have 20 shares of those. We have 2 shares of SBE. S as in Scott, B as in boy, E as in elephant. We're up 6.63% on that. We have 25 shares of XL. We're up 1.41% on that. We have 10 shares of Switch, SWCH. Currently up 1.14% on that. We have 35 shares of NEO. Currently up 0.46% on that one. Kodak, I got 25 shares of KODK, K as in Kit Kat, O as in octopus, D as in dad, K as in Kit Kat. 25 of those, down 1.14%. And to top it off, we have 10 FUBU, FOBO, and we are down 6.52%. TYME going back to its $3.5 mark before stock offering. The stock offering already happened. That's the thing. There's not going to be another offering. The offering definitely already happened, and it actually closed yesterday at the end of hours. So it's looking pretty good. I think it's going to go up from here. I think $3, $2.98. That's the buy zone that I don't really think it's going to touch very much. This is exactly what happened right before the huge run-up on TYME when it went to about $5. It went up and down pre-market like crazy to make you kind of scared. Think about selling pre-market. I think NIO will have a great day today, too, in my personal opinion. Personally, it's sitting at 58.81. It's consolidating. It's consolidating like a lot of the stocks that have a lot of momentum. They're building up the momentum for the push up. NIO did form an inverse head and shoulders pattern, so you got to be aware of that. They are going up. It's not going down. And if it goes below $54.44, sell all of your NIO. It's going down, but I don't think it's going to go down to that point. It hit it about 6 times in the last couple months, and bounced right off. Boyd or NIO, personally, if I had to choose between the two, I'd pick NIO. TYME still a good long-term hold, absolutely. I love TYME today. Thank you so much, Jeff. I appreciate you. Seth Richards, my man, and Jeff. Wow, thank you so much, guys. I appreciate it. Wow, fire. I love it, guys. Yeah, 411 people in this live stream. That's absolutely insane. Thank you, guys, every single one of you. Let's see. What's the actual percentage you sell a stock for profit? It's all different for each stock, right? So personally, you have to stick to your plan. You have to make a plan before you buy the stock and what you might want to sell it at, so that you are prepared for what's going to happen. Like currently with ITRM, I'm holding on to it, just kind of see what happens. I only have 50 shares. It's only worth about $108, still at 44% on it, but still. TYME, I'm currently up 40%. You know, a lot of people would say, hey, take the 40% gain. I love OEGN. But they would say, hey, take the 40% gain, Joey, but I don't think it's going to go down from here. They just had the patent go through to treat COVID-19. They just had, they're in the clinical trials for their cancer trials showing over a 90% reduction of death. It's huge news, guys. As soon as it comes out and they get on the FDA approval calendar, it's going to be wild. I love ELY, SOS, good long-term hold, AEZ. CCIB, I like it. Oh, thank you so much for that. Oh, my goodness. I don't even know what that is. That's so cool, though. Disco ball. Let's get it, TYME to $8. That's the plan. So my plan for TYME, here's my plan. So I expect it to run very, very, very aggressively here right at the beginning of the day or a little bit into the day, right? So here's what I expect to happen. So I have 1,100 shares. I'll be selling 500 of them at a price of about $5.50. That's my goal. And then once I sell about that, if we see a pullback, I might add some more, but I don't think we're going to. And I'm going to sell the rest of my shares at about $8, and that gives me a great gain. HMCM, personally, I'm staying away from it. Do you think I should buy Modern Era at this price? I wouldn't, honestly. I feel like it's a little too high for me personally, but a lot of people disagree with me on that. Yeah. Just... You got it's 1,000 coin. Oh my goodness, thank you so much. I appreciate it. Oh man, that's great. Your professor is here, getting an A in TY. I'll follow you. Why not? It won't let me. That's weird. Oh, I requested to follow you. Your professor is in here. You're getting an A in TY the business. Oh, well, hey, we'll see. I don't think my professor's in here. I would highly doubt it. If my professor's in here, please, professor, tell me that you're in here. I would love to say hi. That would be fantastic. Daddy Joey has taught me more than school. 100%. I'm telling you, like, school doesn't tell you any of these things. None. Zero. And so when you get into the world and even think about investing in the stock market, they crash the market and you're like, oh no, I'm never going to invest in stocks again. It's too risky. Remember, that's what they're trying to do. TYME is a buy. SPDR staying away. CRH, whatever, staying away. Let's see here. Check out us for Sports Post Daily. Let's see, Five Stool Sports. You only have 150 followers. I'm going to support you, give you that follow button. Thanks so much for joining my live stream. I think it's pretty interesting how you decided to say that in my live stream, but hey, all the power to you. I hope you grow, and I hope some people, hey, go in the comments, guys. You just saw someone say that they post a lot about sports bets. Follow them. Give them a follow. 5 long-term stocks. Personally, I love 5. Let's see. I have 300. I want to go all in on TYME. You could do it. You could do it. If you're going to go a lot in that TYME, I recommend a price of $3 or less. If you get close to that $3 mark, I think you'll be okay. But you just got to be really careful. Remember, I got it at my average is $2.13, so we could see a little pullback here in the morning. I have no idea what the guys are going to do. So we just got to hold back, see, kind of just be patient, TRXC, I have looked at TRXC. Personally, I'm staying away from it. I think it ran up a little bit too much. Let's see. When do you sell TYME? Let's get this money. Yeah, good day. Let's get it. BREZ, I love ZNTE. I'm probably going to stay away from. But let's see. CCIV, personally, I'm staying away from it. I already have a good amount of EV stock. Give it 2 months. Let's see here. My average of TYME is 250. Fantastic. TRBO, I like TurboTax. Top 5 long-term stocks. Yeah, I can get into that. So my top 5, Clover, I sold Clover. My top 5 long-term stocks that I currently hold in my portfolio right now, I would say NEO, XL Fleet, LGVW, FUBU, FUBO, and Kodak, KODK. I love all those stocks. They're great long-term holds. They're pretty good short-term potential there too. But guys, be ready. FUBU is not messing around. They're a great service. What's going on, Coach? Love to see you in here. IVR, I like IVR, but personally, I'm staying away from it. I already got too much pharma stocks. HCMC, I'm staying away from that hype stock. OCGN, I do like OCGN. I really do like OCGN. It could be one of the penny stocks that runs up to $100, personally. OCGN, it's something that I missed out on. I wish I didn't miss out on it, but I might have to buy some today just to see what happens. And okay, personally, I'm staying away. New York here, where are you at? Hey, New York, I like it. I am in Grand Rapids, Michigan. Riot. Personally, I'm staying away from it. If you want to own cryptocurrency, buy the actual crypto, in my personal opinion. ELY, personally, let's see if I'm thinking about the same company. Callaway Golf, personally, I'm staying away. Not a lot of people golfing right now. It's the winter, Let's see. Clover was your pick of the day yesterday, and you just said Clover. Oh, I sold that. What? Yeah, it was my pick of the day yesterday. Plans change, right? So I was trying to do a swing trade. I thought it was going to pump up a pretty good amount because it went down so much, but that ended up not being the case. Make sure to follow me on my Discord. I post all my live trades in there, so if I ever make a trade, you're going to see it and you're going to get tagged for it. And it's all 100% free to view. Just simply go to my bio, click Join Stock Forge free Discord, and it should get you in there. Just accept the rules, and then all the way at the bottom, the $5,000 tab, you should be able to see it. I really try to do great picks all the time, but sometimes it just don't work out. And when the plan changes, I was up 1%, and I wanted to sell it to be able to put it in something else, which I happened to put it in ITRM, and I'm up 50% on that. So you just got to remember the plan changes, and you just have to stay updated. Make sure to get in my Discord so you know all the moves I'm making. I can't make a video every time I sell a stock. I have a very busy life. I'm a full-time, I go to school. I'm trying to do the stock TikTok thing. I have to help my girlfriend get around. She doesn't have a car. And I have to do a lot of things. Got to do my homework, like a lot of stuff. So I'm trying as best as I can, and just make sure you get in that Discord to stay updated on my plans. Is ITRM still a buy? I believe it is. I believe it's still a buy. Pick of the day today was ITRM. I believe I called it at $1.30. I think it's down 10 cents since I called it this morning. But overall, it's going to be a great one long term. ELYS finally up today. Seller hold. Personally, I love ELYS. I sold it for about a 20% gain personally, but I'm looking to get back in it. I love it. 500 viewers. Yeah, that's crazy. Thank you so much. I appreciate you. Best stock pick for the week this week. TYME. TYME, number 1 stock of the week. I think you would keep OCGN. I would. My favorite EV stock, number 1, I would have to put NEO. NEO is my favorite EV stock. My second favorite EV stock is XL due to its profit potential. ITEM at 220, nice. Mara, thank me later. I know Mara's a great company. It goes up with cryptocurrency, but remember, why would you own a company that owns cryptocurrency when you can just own the cryptocurrency yourself, you know? Ben here since day one, absolute legend, Joey. Love you to death. One of my day ones right there, man. Love it. NGA, personally, I love it long term. TYME is still a buy. You want to get it as close to $3 as possible. If it goes up to $4, I'm not calling it a buy. I want to let everyone know right now when someone says, oh, I bought it $4, what happened? I did not tell you guys to buy it $4. I'm going to say my max that I would tell you to buy this stock is $3.50 because I'm trying to sell it at $5.50, and it could go up to $8. I know it could go up, you know, like why would you not tell us to buy it $4 if it goes up to $8, right? Because this stock goes up and down so much, it's going to trick your mind. It's going to make you think, oh, should I sell it? Should I buy more? Should I do this, and that? When in reality, you just got to hold back, sit still, look at the facts, and make your moves. I have $100. Where should you put it? Personally, that's all up to you. But personally, if I had $100 right now that I could put in the market, I would be looking at MK. That's what I'm doing. I have about $200 that I could put in the market. I'm looking at MKD, Molecular Data Incorporated, sitting at $1.45. It looks really good to me. Molecular Data sounds great, doesn't it? This company is fantastic. It has great financials as well. None on Webull yet, but it's a fairly new company, I think, right? Yeah, it was debuted at the beginning of this year. And it started its IPO at about $11.77. It's at $1.45, so good buy point. Could have fooled me. I thought it was Mickey D's. Yeah, MKD. You'd think, right? CCIV merge. Personally, I'm staying away from it. I got my EV stocks. I'm not touching it. I don't need the risk. MKD, M as in mom, K as in Kit Kat, and D as in dad. My pick of the day today was ITRM, TYME buzzing. You're 100% right about that. OZSC killing it. Congratulations, Euphoria, like it. Mad price point. You mean MKD price point? You know, I'm not 100% sure. I haven't looked into it a bunch yet, but I have looked into it enough where I want to make an investment. I really do like the company. I have to look into it a little bit more when it comes to price targets and stuff like that. Are you selling TYME today? Unless TYME goes to $5.50 today, I will be holding on to every single share I own. IDEX. Personally, I'm staying away. Joe, your content is amazing. I watch you every morning. How did you get started with stocks? Well, I got started with stocks. I was really young. I don't day trade. I was really young, and I saved all my money for like a whole year, right? Because you know you get your allowance money, you know, not that much, like $20 a week or something. And I saved up $400, and I told my parents I wanted to buy 4 Bitcoin for a total of $400, 100 each per coin. And they looked me straight in the eyes and told me that was the dumbest decision I could have made in my life. Didn't let me do it, and what do you know? Today it'd be worth about $200,000 from 400. And that moment, that day, I decided to never listen to what anyone else told me ever again, and to just do it myself. And I've been paper trading. Since I was about 12 years old. I've loved the stock market my whole entire life, and I'm just trying to share it with you guys. OCGN. Oh, I just want to let everyone know, if you guys do send me a message, I get hundreds of messages per day, but if you send me a message while I'm in my live stream, I'm not going to be answering until right after. That's actually what I do after every single live stream. I get off my live stream, go to my phone, and kind of go to the comments and try to respond to everyone. It takes me hours to do every single day, but I promise, if I haven't messaged you yet, just message me again, like twice, double message me, triple, 4 times, I don't care. Just message me and I will make sure to get back to you. MKD, what do you think? I like MKD. That's actually what I'm thinking about buying this morning. FSR, JAG-X thoughts, staying away. What do you suggest for today? My pick of the day today was ITRM at $2.30. It's dipping a little bit right now. It's at $2.26. Currently, our portfolio right now is at $7,755. Looking pretty good to me. And currently, so far today, we are up 6.89%, not too shabby. Already more than we were all day yesterday. We were up 6.26% yesterday, and it ended up, we thought it was going to be a 13% gain. It went down a little bit at the end of the day. That's what it was on my video that I said a 36% gain or something. But 13% gain, that's what it was, yep. But we're getting there. We're getting there. Slowly but surely. SAP, I love SAP. AEZS, personally, I'm staying away from it. Thank you so much for the disco ball, Daniel. I appreciate it. That's so cool, man. I love it. ADMP thoughts, personally, I'm staying away from it. OCGN, I love it. Hold TYME. I am holding every single share of my 1,100 of TYME. MCOA, personally, I'm staying away. Thank you so much, Daniel. ITRM or TYME, personally, out of the two, I love TYME so much more. So much more. TYME to the moon. It's going to be a great one, I'm telling you guys. Joe, you made my portfolio up 100%. I'm debating on joining Premium. Is it worth it? Premium is 100% worth it for my Discord. It costs $39.99 a month. Use my code Joey2 to be able to get 10% off. But guys, remember, I'm not getting the whole money. I'm not getting all the money. So don't think I'm profiting $30 off of every single person. I'm not. I promise you about $5. And it's just to kind of help you. They teach people in there. I have all my trades in there. I have news alerts in there and a lot of other really education people. While I'm in class and sometimes can't answer questions, there's 3 or 4 people there to be able to answer questions that have more than 45 years of finance experience. There's a tax professional. There's options trading. There's everything. So it's basically everything that I can do, but so much more. And it just really helps you in the community get a lot of like-minded individuals working together to try to get one common purpose of making money. And I 100% say it's worth it. And if you get the premium and don't like it after your month, I promise you, I will personally send you the money that you paid for premium back. Every single person that I've talked to, that I've interacted with, absolutely loves it, and they have done very well. Most people have made back their money for the first month that they bought in the first week, or sometimes even for the first day. It doesn't happen always, obviously, but so far, every single person has made their money back in 1 week time at least, which is crazy for me to say, right? Like, usually it's not like that. Usually it's like, 92%, 94%, but every single person. So, let's get it. What's your sell point, TYME? I am selling half of my shares at a price point of $5.50. Robinhood Gold is not worth it. Robinhood Gold is a scam, I promise you. It gives you almost nothing. It just gives you bad information on purpose to make you do things that they want you to do. I despise Robinhood. Almost every single article on there is there to mislead you. I wouldn't do it. What were you talking about that everyone likes? Oh, my Discord. So I have a Discord in my bio. There's a free version and a premium version. So my premium version, it's going to have so many other people with a lot of finance experience help you with options. They can teach you stuff. There's a tax professional in there. There's so many great things in this Discord. It's $39.99 a month. Use my code Joey2 to get 10% off, but that's only if you can support me or have the money to do so. I'm not telling you. I do all my content on here for free every single day for the people who can't afford it or the people who just don't trust me, And so I have to gain your trust. That's fine with me. I'm just going to keep doing what I'm doing, and it's going to come. But if you make it big and I make you a lot of money for free and you have a bunch of leftover money, join the premium. Support me. Help me out. I'm trying to make this a career. That's the only way I'm going to be able to make it a career is if I have that premium as well. But again, I'm going to be putting as much content as I can every single day in here. I promise. For all the people who can't afford it. Because personally, before I started this, I couldn't afford it. There's no way. I could now, but I couldn't before. And so I love all you guys. And if you like to go to the premium, perfect. If you want to just join the free version, you can see my live trades, do that. But there's a lot of resources that's available to everyone, and I just want you guys to make the most of it. And if you take it, cool. If not, that's okay too. ITRM, personally, I have a price target of $3.30 on that one. ITRM price target is about $3.50, but again, it could go up. I'm still doing a little more research on it. We could see it go way, way, way higher. Hold on here. We see Josie here. AIRTW. Let's look at it. AIRTW. And I just want to shout out to, let's see here, SMTS. Yeah, I'll write it down. I'll look at SMTS. Okay. Let's see here. I just want to shout her out real quick because I love her to death. Josie, one of my main followers. I love Josie. She sent me a $100 donation the other day, and I just want to personally tell you, thank you so much. I love you to death, and let's look at your stock here. I have to scroll back up to find it. AirTW. Let's get it. AirTW. AirT Funding. Personally, it's a penny stock. It's at 50 cents. It's going up pretty good, isn't it? It looks very, very compelling. It used to be at about 260 something. It had a pump there. Let's see. It's pretty new. Pretty new. What do they do? Financials, not looking good. I would stay away just because of the financials. It's looking terrible. In quarter 2 of 2021, they have lost more than about 3 times what they lost the previous quarter. I'm staying away. OGEN, I like it. Daniel, thank you so much, my dude. Joey, you're going to school for business? Yes, I actually attend the Seidman Business College at Grand Valley State University. I currently have about a year and a half left. I'm majoring in marketing with an emphasis in sales, entrepreneurship, and then a minor in advertising and public relations. GM, like a long-term VISL, staying away personally. I use Robinhood. What other platform do you recommend me use for a beginner? I recommend Webull personally. I love Webull. It's even easy for a beginner. It might take you a day or two to kind of get used to it, but I would 100% look into Webull. I actually have a referral link in my bio. I'll get you 2 free stocks if you want. If not, just go ahead and sign up, see how you like it, whatever. But yeah, if you use my code to sign up, you'll get 2 free stocks, and I'll get 2 free stocks. So win-win, right? TYME today. TYME today, guys. It's going to be good. It's sitting at $3.21. Our portfolio is at $7,900. Let's go, guys. Let's go. We're doing good. Webull, bet. Thanks, bro. Yeah, my pleasure. TYME hold. Absolutely. I'm holding until $5.50 where I'm going to sell half of my shares. It's going to be a big day today, guys. It's going to be a big day. And ITRM value just increased. Keep watching. My price point right now is $3.50 to be able to take profit. But guys, remember, this could be a huge runner. It could even go bigger. But guys, just make sure you're doing research. Stick to your plan and happy trading, because I am not a financial advisor. I do not give financial advice. I'm simply telling you what I believe about the stock market and what I am doing. Clover Health, staying away. And NGAC, I like NGAC. CCIV would probably be a hold, yes. VST, personally staying away. APHA looking pretty good to me. OCGN, I believe it's a hold. Clover Health, I'm staying away. APHA looks pretty good to me. Sorry, Joel, if you wrote down SMTS. Oh, yeah, I so did. Sorry, ADHD, right? Oh, I just changed the filter and everything. Normal, perfect, sorry. Okay, so we're going to look at SMTS. Thank you so much for the reminder, Paul. Yeah, so it is a metal company, Sierra Metals. I've actually got a lot of questions about this specific stock. Personally, I'm not a huge believer in metals just because of the fact that a lot of my people, like my generation, they're going to be the people making the decisions in the future, right? And so if you're thinking about this, it might be a long-term investment, whatever. I love Ford, but personally, I don't find silver, I don't find gold valuable to me. Like, I can't, if I hold around a block of gold, what can I do? I can't eat it. I can't, I have to hope that someone else will pay me an amount that it's worth, and the government, it's the most manipulated form of currency in the world. You got Russia hoarding all of the gold. You have the U.S. Do they even have the gold in the Federal Reserve anymore? You don't know, right? And so the thing is, I think they manipulated the price of gold to make us think that gold and silver is worth a lot when it's not. But SYN could do good. But SMTS, personally, I like it because their profits are looking pretty good. But personally, I would invest into it because I just don't believe in gold, physical gold or silver. I've been saying SYN, it was up 30 cents yesterday. Nice. TYME was up pretty good amount yesterday too. I think it actually had more than 30-cent gain, but not a competition. There's a lot of different ways to make money, and if you're making money with that stock, I'm more than happy for you. EXPI, personally staying away. AMPE, I love AMPE. That's a sleeper. I like it. NNDM, it's going to be a long-term gem. NHF staying away. TYME hit $8 soon. TYME is not going to be a stock that's going to hit $8 as soon as the market opens, guys. I'm telling you, it's going to be an uphill battle. Not everyone is going to be able to sell at that great price of $8 or $5.50 or whatever. It's going to go up and down, up and down, up and down, up and down, up and down. You got to understand that. They're going to make it hard for you to make that money. It's never easy. How do you bet stock on Webull? I don't bet stock. I buy stocks. Oh, how do you buy stocks on Webull? You just have to type in a ticker and buy the stock, just like any other platform. What's a good buy today? Personally, today, my stock pick of the day today at $2.30 was ITRM. It's currently at $2.32. It's looking pretty good, right? 33 cents even, up 55% on it for today so far. Clover Health, personally, I'm staying away from it. I had it as my pick yesterday. Changed my mind on that. I blew the ball on that one. NAK, personally staying away, go to class. I don't have class right now. Nice try, though. You can try to tell me whatever you want, but I don't have to listen to you. That's the best thing about the internet and the United States of America. They deal with a lot of copper. Yeah, if they deal with a lot of copper and EV batteries, I couldn't do too much research on it. But yeah, I do love that. TYME for the week, yep. Trey Clausen. Where are you, Trey? Clover Health. Yes, it was recommended by them, but I don't take analysts' projections into account when I'm making my stock picks. Personally, I don't do it. And because no one picked TYME, right? No one picked TYME. There was no analyst saying, "Oh, buy TYME right now at $1.76. No, they weren't even talking about it. There's 2 random articles out there that said an $8 price target, but no one believed those anyway. And I told you guys it was going to go up, and what do you know? It's currently at $3.33, and my portfolio is up over $8,000 so far this pre-market. FUBU or ITRM? Personally, I like FUBU a little bit more than ITRM, personally. Yeah, there we go. TYME up to $3.39 here, and the market's opened 4 minutes ago. I didn't buy anything yet. Just premium review page show your other live trades. It shows every single live trade I made. So we got to remember, guys. I started with $5,000 in this account, right? We're at $8,109. I don't have unlimited money to buy stocks every single day. I'm not buying and selling stocks every single day. Most of the time, I am at least buying 1 or 2 stocks every day, maybe selling 1 or 2. But I don't day trade. Thank you, my dude. Yeah, I don't day trade. So if I'm not going to be exciting to where like, oh wow, TYME is at $3.43. Let's freaking go. We're at $8,119 today. We are already up 12.78% for the day. Pretty good day so far in the morning. Let's go. TYME to the moon. Twitter, I like it. VTGN staying away. Personally, yeah, it's looking pretty good for TYME and ITRM. Looks good. Well, I got to get back to my Discord, guys. I'm not going to be making any purchases yet this morning. I'm probably going to wait a little bit. TYME doing great things. $338 right now. We're at $8,100, folks. I will see you guys soon. Thank you so much for Ryan. ACB to the moon. I don't agree. DSS, I don't like it. Great salesperson. I wouldn't call myself a salesperson, but thank you. Let's see here. TYME SNDL, let's go. Yeah, wishing you good luck, guys. Thank you so much, the stock CEOs. I appreciate it. So just make sure to do your own research, stick to your plan, and as always, happy trading.